One of the most frustrating things as a brand new entrepreneur is watching a ton of YouTube videos to learn how to do a certain skill, but never find out how to actually do it. You know, people like me, and I find myself doing the same thing sometimes, we like to show off our own skills, but we forget who we're actually speaking to. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to walk you through exactly how I do my cold calls. Now, if you are new to this channel, my name is James Bonnies, and I've taught over 8,000 people very closely on how to build a marketing agency. Over 17,000 people have paid for my expertise total. And a few months ago, I basically told my audience here that I was going to do 100 cold calls and I was going to record every single one of them. Now, I'm not done doing that, but I have started to make some of these cold calls and now I have freed up my time to finish them over the next week or two. But I did not want to wait until I was done with doing all of these cold calls for me to share the script that I'm using, as well as the tool, the AI tool that I use in order to make these calls very seamless, comfortable, and give me the confidence not to stutter myself all over the place. So I want to jump on my screen right now and show you this tool. We call it the CQI interview. There's a lot more that goes on of why we use this tool and why we say the things that we say. But in this video, I simply want to just share the scripts that I'm using, how the tool works, and why it makes it very easy to just bang through cold calls left and right. So let's jump on my screen and let's go through it. Oh, before I do that, here are 2 cold calls that I made and what happened with each of those 2. How you doing? This is Adirondack Tree Specialist, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what's going on? My name is James Bonnies. I actually live in Wayne. I was checking your company out online. I saw you guys had some pretty good reviews, but I noticed you didn't have a website. Was there a reason for that?
Oh, well, yeah. So it's a short story. I actually retired, so there is no more Adirondack Tree company. We sold trucks and equipment, but I am still answering the phone and referring a guy that used to work with us. He's in Lincoln Park. It's Arbor Care, ARBORCARE.
Okay, I'll write them down really quick.
So he should be listed. Just give him a call. His name is Marcos, Marcos.
Marcos, very good. Yeah, I'll give him a ring and enjoy your retirement, man.
Yeah, thank you. But so we are keeping the number and all that, but yeah, no more company.
Okay, very good. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Sure.
Bye, bye.
Yeah. Hello.
Hey, is this Adrian's Tree Service?
Yeah, this is Adrian. How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
Good, good.
My name is James Bonnies. I actually live over in Wayne. You're in North Halden, right?
Not really, yes.
All right, sweet. I was checking out your company online, and I did see that you had 33 Google reviews, but you had no website. Was there a reason for that?
Well, we got before, but...
So those 2 were just a sneak peek. Actually, they were my first 2 phone calls that I made. So whenever anybody tells you that cold calling is scary, it's not if you have the right things to say, if that makes sense. Now, don't get me wrong. I hate doing it. I don't want to do it, but I promise to my audience that I do it, and I will, because I want to show that you can sell AI websites. And I'm only going after one offer, the AI website, because you can build these things in 5 minutes, give or take a few clicks of a button. And it's not just me doing it. I have dozens and dozens of students who are going this route now because it's such an easy sell, especially knowing that there's 11 million businesses that are running right now in the United States. I'm not even counting outside of the United States that are running a business without a website, which is bonkers. Okay. And they all know it. Now, I spoke to Adrian, the second call that you heard. Matter of fact, the call got cut off. Of course, I ran out of space on my computer when I was recording. So I had to dump like 75 videos off of my desktop into a little iMac 3 terabyte drive. But in any event, I didn't close him. I didn't sell him, but he did recommend somebody to me, a friend of his that needs help. Right? So going into making 100 calls, I'm expecting to have conversations with 15 to 20, maybe 30, because people are not going to answer. Some people are going to be like, yeah, give me a call. Some people are going to meet with me. I'll show them the AI website that I'm building. Right now, I'm going after the tree care industry, and I'm filtering it by people who are businesses that do not have a website. I have a tool for that. You could just go to Google also and just type in tree care company and find the ones that don't. I've gone over this a million times on my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, just click around. It's pretty obvious which ones talk about that. But if you end up clicking the link in the description or in the first comment that's pinned, my school members get access to a lot of things. Okay, I'll share with it on the about page. I talk about it on there. Okay, but let's stay with me on this video. So this is what we call a client qualification interview app. I built this based on our training that we've been training people since 2017 that me and my business partner have been using since 2014. This makes selling easy. and I use the word easy lightly, it just makes it more comfortable, okay? And so within this app, there's a lot of things you do. But again, on my YouTube channel, I've gone through this. I'll probably do more videos in the future, but I've just added for myself, because I'm going to be making the cold calls, I added this feature called cold calls, okay? And what you could do is you can upload a list here. I could call it tree care companies, and upload a CSV file that I already exported out of another tool that I have, Google Business Profile Vault, we call it, where you could scrape Google Business Profiles with our API key. And what it'll do is the first filter that I had was no website. So I had 17 contacts just in the Wayne area, and then it overlaps into other ones. But I would say in New Jersey, there's going to be probably about 200 tree care companies, 150 that do not have a website. So if I upload the list here, okay, I duplicated it so I could show you the way it works. And then you could click start calling, okay? And so if I click start calling over here, it'll pull up the first one, A+ Master Tree Service, okay? And it'll have their phone number, all right? It'll then give me their Google rating, how many reviews that they have, and then just like time zone, how many photos they have, when did I pull this data? I actually pulled it on this February 17th. Where did it come from? Here's their review link. Things like that, things you don't need. All you really need is their phone number, okay? Now, this is public information, so YouTube, if you're watching this, I'm not sharing anything that is not public. And so over here, then you could pull from different scripts, right? So you could have, if you want to pitch online reputation management, the script will be based on online reputation management. If you want to do a professional web build, the script will be based on that. If you want to sell them AI power packages, here's a cold call script for that. So all I did was basically read this. Now, this is the default scripts, okay? And I purposely, I have default scripts because people don't want to just copy. A lot of times they want to kind of have their own way of doing it. So for example, in this script, you would say, hey, Adrian, this is James. And a lot of times I'll leave this out. I'll just say, hey, this is James. I'm from the Wayne area. I have a quick question. Do you have 60 seconds? I found something about your online presence that I think you'd want to know about. Okay, wait, what am I on? Yeah, the website build. All right, so these are kind of default canned based on what other students said, right? I pulled in a lot of stuff. I've asked my student base, what do they say? What's working for them right now? And you can kind of go through this. Again, everybody in my school community gets this for free. But I actually have a script that I use for the website build. So let me pull that and I'll show you what you're able to do too. So you can come over here, back to your cold call homepage. And if you go to scripts, okay, you can create your own script. And so you would name it like website pitch, and then you would choose professional website build, and you would just replace the default with your own, okay? If you want to bold something, you can use bold, italicize, like for example, like let's italicize this, because these are kind of like the answers to if they say, you know, I'll go through it in just a second. So the bold will be what they say, and the italicize will be what I would say if they said that, and I would hit save, okay? And then I would come over here, go start calling. And as you can see here, now we can make it your own default. And this would be it. And I could toggle on and off. Over here, so I would say, hi, is this Adirondack Tree Care? And then they say, yes, it is. Great, my name is James and I live in the local area. I was checking out your company online and saw that you had a few great reviews, but you had no website. Is there a reason for that? Now, what if they say, yeah, I've gotten quoted before. It just was way too expensive and I just didn't think I needed it. And I would just simply say, and again, I'm using very simple, to the point terms because I already have the asset. So I don't have to really be good at this. Well, since I already built you a brand new site, I can guarantee it won't be expensive, not even close to whatever number they gave you. But also no pressure. I just want to show it to you. You think I could show it to you? Let's say tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, whatever. They say, listen, man, I'm just too busy. I get it. But how about a 10-minute call so I could show you what I've already built you? I could show you that I already built you your own site. You don't have one. I built one for you. Listen, I get enough business anyway. So I just come back. Oh, so you don't actually need any new business at all? See what they say. I'm confused. Yeah, so was I, because I noticed that you didn't have a website, and that is why I called. But let's grab 10 minutes so I can show you what I already built. When is a good time? Tomorrow morning or afternoon? What works better? And that's it. Like the whole goal is to get somebody to say, I'll meet with you over Zoom, Google Meet, whatever, and show them what you have. Now, what do you show them, right? That's always like, what do I do, James? How do I show them this? So I've already had the site built in Lovable, so let me pull that up, and it looks like this. If you remember, I talked to Adrian. Adrian was, when I was on the phone with him, he was kind of curious, wasn't really sold on it yet. So I really quickly, with a few clicks, using my AI site builder, whipped this up in Lovable and the AI site builder, and I took a screenshot and I sent him a text message with it. Okay, because that's his, I guess maybe either this is his cell phone or it gets forwarded to him, and this is good enough to sell. Obviously, can you change this? Can you change that? Sure, and we get him on like a monthly retainer, even if it's just hosting and you get 1 or 2 edits a month, it's $99 a month, whatever. Okay, sell them it for $500. You sell them the site for $1,000. They are used to getting pitched $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 websites. Okay, now obviously the whole goal isn't just build them a website and never speak to them again. It's get your foot in the door with the website. So the money comes in the recurring revenue. It's a whole nother video I've done in the past and I'll probably do in the future. But this is what I would do. And so where do you get the leads from? You can go to Google, type in tree companies near me. Here we go. Google Business Profile. You're just going to look for the ones that do not have a website. Now, I have a tool that we built that will, like I just showed you, I'll show you something else. So like Appleseed Tree doesn't have a website. I know that because if I go to Appleseed Tree, there's no website. Okay. No website here. They have some reviews. Now I do look down here usually just to make sure, but my tool will also check, even though if they don't have a site connected, maybe they have a site, they just don't know how to do it. And so that would probably be, this one is probably on my list. Now let me pull up my list. And so you can see it's a lot easier just to pull the list than it is to sift through these, but you could do it either way. This was the Adirondack and this is Adrian. As you can see, I went through those two. Adirondack and Adrian's. And those were the first 2 calls I made. I made them right before I was leaving the office. I was like, let me just get these. Let me just call these. And Adrian is going to pop it up on my screen. Well, I don't feel like popping it up on my screen, but I could show it to you. He said, I'm going to give your number to my friend. He's looking for someone who can help him with the website. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. Okay. You can even check the number, whatever. But in the end, it's about organization. It's about being organized where you're not jotting stuff down. You kind of know what to say. Obviously you're going to get curveballs thrown at you, but there's not really a lot of things. You're going to either hang up or they're going to talk. It's going to be one or the other. And you kind of know what to say now if you just follow this script right here. I mean, you could screenshot this and just use it. It works. Okay, I've used this script before. And you could also, if you want to sell online reputation management, here's the script for that. Again, we're really selling assets up front. And this is why I love the professional website build. And a lot of people actually are like, oh, James, how many people don't have websites? 11 million of them just in the US. 11 million. 11 million. So that means in the state, if we just take 11 million and we divide it by, let's just say 50 states, it's 220,000 businesses in each state. Obviously, it's not going to be that exact. You're going to have more in New York City than you will, or New York than you will, in other states. Texas is a big state. What I'm trying to get at is the market is there. It's huge and it's easy and it's fast and it's just working great. I've had a lot of students following this exact process, and by following it, they are succeeding at it. Now, also, so let's say I called A+ Master Tree Service and they wanted a callback. Well, I'll put a callback here and I'll say down here, call back on March 13th. Okay. And I'll send myself a note. Okay. And I'm actually going to button this up a little bit more where I'll have some cool features coming out with that. And then I go to my next one, and the next one, I need a follow-up also. Actually, we'll do a decline, hung up on me, right? The next one, sold. The next one, no answer. The next one, no answer. The next one, answered. Maybe I have a note, has a website, but is curious on getting a new one, let's say. All right, we'll send a note in there. All right, and then the notes, you can add more notes. No answer. Let's say I'm done for the day. Follow up, right? Let's say I made 10 calls a day. No answer. We'll do one more. Declined. Okay. So now if I go back into my cold call, into my cold call list, you could see here how it summarizes all the calls of these 17 contacts. All right. Let me just delete this one out of here. And if I want to call all the no answers tomorrow, I just pull up and it'll just show me the 5. So one very important factor of cold calling is organization and being able to organize it in a way. So uploading a list, getting the contacts, running through them, marking them what you should mark them, and then being able to come back and say, look, I have 4 that I haven't called yet. So I'm gonna go with those 4 because they're listed under new. Call back. This guy wanted to call back. He said on March 13th, so I'm going to wait. Declined. Well, maybe we'll try him again in a month. We sold one, so we got to keep them on, obviously got to fulfill that guy. Sold. Oh, let's just click that one. So the no answers, of course, and so on and on and on. So this tool is available for all of my Skool standard members. It's in the training. It's in my AI website training where I walk you through Lovable. I walk you through building these sites. I give you the prompts to use. And then in our premium membership, you get access to the list tool. You get access to the 3-click website build where it'll pull the information and build an actual business's full-blown website. And if somebody doesn't buy it, like Adrian didn't buy mine, well, guess what? I'm going to use it for all the tree cares as an example. I'm not going to keep building new ones. For everybody who says they're interested, I'm just going to use the first one that I built for the first person who showed interest. And then when it comes to fulfilling, I will then, again, that's the carrot. That's the asset I want to show. And then I can actually, with 3 clicks of a button, build that business owner's exact website with all of their information, all of their photos in 3 clicks. If you found value in this video, please make sure that you like, subscribe, and give me a comment down below. Ask me any questions. I try to answer at least the first day or 2 that I put up videos, those comments. So get your comments in early and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. And turn those notifications on. I try to get up 1 to 2 videos every single week. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.